I am somebody who takes the data that we get in from vibration and temperature sensors, and I make sense of it, and I provide recommendations to maintenance teams, such as Stefan's maintenance teams at Arbec. We work very close with those maintenance and reliability teams, trying to basically solve problems before they create bigger problems and can produce downtime.
It's proactive maintenance. So instead of being a firefighter, our people are more like people who are gonna work before the failure, instead of running all over the place to change the bearing because the bearing broke. We're really happy to do this partnership with Asset Watch, and it's a big journey and it's worth it.